Today we're going to talk about the city with the world's most incredible nature. This city enjoys a prime location between the mountains and the sea, perfectly encapsulating the idea of something for everyone, offering everything from world-class museums to cutting-edge restaurants and everything else that you can only dream of. Prepare to fall in love with this city that is charming, small, lively, and diverse. And for that, let's have a look at the top 5 things that you can do in Oslo, the city with the world's most incredible nature. Number 5, take a walk in Ekeberg Sculpture Park. The Ekeberg Park and Sculpture Park is a short tram ride from Oslo city center. Especially, the park mixes its lengthy history, gorgeous natural surroundings, breathtaking views, and spectacular sculptures. Internationally famous artists created works of art that are displayed throughout the entire park. You will find tranquility in the stunning scenery and magnificent artwork. Enjoy a trip through the enchanted woods, passing by works of contemporary art and sculptures of all sizes. Admire the creations of Renoir, Dali, Abramovic, Rains, and many others. The sculptures are symbolic of European art history from the past 130 years. In addition to the sculptures, the park has remnants of Oslo's lengthy and varied past, such as 900 to 400 BC cemeteries, Stone Age remains, and rock engravings. Throughout the year, Ekeberg Parken provides outdoor activities, guided tours, and art workshops for both young and adults alike. Hakkaspetini, a children's activity center, as well as a well-liked climbing park, are also there. You'd also easily find various cafes and restaurants in the park. Don't miss the Ekeberg restaurant, which boasts traditional functionalism and breathtaking city views. The park is free to enter and is open all year long. Number 4, learn skiing at Holmenkollen. The Holmenkollen ski jump is located in Norway at the top of a mountain. You should include a trip up here on your list of things to do in Oslo. Oh, and be assured that we're not suggesting that you jump it. But even if you do, what's the harm? Going to the Holmenkollen ski jump offers an opportunity to learn more about the history of ski jumping, have some traditional Norwegian cuisine, and get fantastic views of Oslo. The oldest museum of its sort in the world is located beneath the ski jump. There is an exhibition on contemporary snow sports. You can also look at the more than 4,000-year history of skiing and artifacts from Norwegian polar exploration. If you enjoy skiing or find Arctic exploration fascinating, you should visit this museum. While you may visit the ski jump and simply look up at it from the bottom or halfway up, it's worthwhile to wait in line for the observation deck. The balcony, which is perched atop the jump tower, offers a spectacular view of Oslo and the fjords. It may be the best view of Oslo you can find. Once you reach the top, you'll also realize how terrifying of a sport ski jumping must be. Number 3, admire the Akerselva River. Unbeknownst to many, the Akerselva River is one of Oslo's most distinctive and lovely attractions. Many of the wonderful aspects of the Norwegian capital can be discovered by strolling along Akerselva. Natural beauty and vibrant city life, charming wooden homes and brand new neighborhoods, historical relics and eye-popping street art, and plenty of delicious food are all here in abundance. The 8-kilometer walk follows the river's course, passing through parks, little forests, charming bridges, and 20 or so waterfalls that used to power all Oslo's industry. There are many charming locations along the journey where you can pause to refuel with food, beverages, culture, and fascinating local narratives. The area near Ankerbrua, also referred to as the Fairy Tale Bridge, is a wonderful place to begin your Akerselva experience if you're in the city center. Old Norwegian mythical figures wish you safe travels. Along Akerselva, there are numerous art installations. Therefore, it is only right that you ultimately arrive at the mothership, the Oslo National Academy of the Arts. The bridge that connects the academy to the river's upper reaches serves as a reminder that real love still exists. It serves as a lovely reminder to stop and appreciate our loved ones because it is filled with padlocks with love declarations etched on them. Maybe there is someone special in your life too, to whom you would like to dedicate a padlock. Number 2, Vikings Ship Museum. If you have a strong interest in Viking history, you must pay a visit to the Viking Ship Museum. Amazing discoveries from 4 different Viking burial sites near the Oslo Fjord are on display at the Viking Ship Museum. The Oseberg ship, which is located on the Bygde Peninsula, shines thanks to the museum. This 9th century burial ship was discovered in 1904 to 1905, and since it spent all that time submerged in airtight and impermeable mud, it is as good as new. Similar ships from Tune and Gokstad, as well as all the artifacts discovered buried alongside them, including beds, miniature boats, a full cart, tent components, wood carvings, textiles, and other treasures revealed in Viking burials are no less spectacular. Discover the world's best preserved Viking ships, as well as unusual burial artifacts from boat tombs scattered along the Oslo fjord. Before serving as the rich owner's final resting place, these ships made sea excursions. You'd find incredible wood sculptures and unexplained bone remains here. As you move along, the ceiling and walls are projected with the Vikings Alive movie, offering context for Viking burial customs. Number 1. Oslo Fjord. The picturesque crown jewel of Oslo is the 100-kilometer-long Oslo Fjord. The fjord is alive and bustling in the summer. Swim, wander amid the colorful cabins on the islands, or ride a SUP board over the waves are all options. You can still swim in the winter, but you should warm up in one of the many fjord-side saunas beforehand. The fjord's interior is substantially narrower and has sides covered in forest. It is also well known for the group of islands that are close to Oslo. The most well-known, Hovdoya, offers playgrounds, beaches, and nature routes. Hovdoya can be reached by ferry in just 5 minutes. The beaches are extremely popular on sunny days, with folks wanting to catch some rays. There are also a lot of other attractions on Hovdoya if sunbathing isn't your thing. If you are interested in history, the island has something to offer in that aspect too. The most famous site is the remains of Hovdoya Abbey, a Cistercian abbey constructed by English monks in the 12th century. When someone in Oslo refers to a fjord, they're referring to the inner Oslo Fjord. In the summer, cruise ships, ferries from Denmark, passenger ferries to the islands, and private boats fill the river with activity. You have one busy place when you include kayaking, canoeing, diving, fishing, and swimming options. Bring a picnic basket or treat yourself to a bite at one of the quaint cafes on the islands. Take a fjord tour and take in the beauty. You won't ever regret visiting the Oslo Fjord, no matter what you decide to do. Everything is here, from sauna boats to top-notch museums and the magnificent Royal Palace. There is something for everyone in the city, regardless of how much time you have to explore it. So when do you plan on visiting Oslo? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, where to next?